Hello everyone, my name is Saurabh Deepak Joshi, lecturer at Adarsh College of Pharmacy Vita, and thank you so much for clicking on this video. Well, today's topic is pretty interesting because we are discussing on topic antifungal agents. This video is mainly for diploma in pharmacy second year students. This is our second video on antifungal agents. Before this video, please check out our first video of antifungal agents. To watch first part of this video, please go to link given in the description below or go to our YouTube page. Or you can also click on I button on the right top corner. Now let's start this video. In the first part of video, we ended up to the classification of antifungal agents. We already discussed that on that video. So now we discuss the 5 drugs which are important in the diploma in pharmacy second year students only. So let's start with the first drug. First drug is undecyclinic acid or undecanoic acid. It consists of undecane enolic acid. This is having chemical formula C11H20O2. This structure is of undecyclinic acid, that is CH2 double bond CH2 8 times COOH. Next point is the physical properties of undecyclinic acid. This is having color, that is colorless or pale brownish, clear liquid or white to yellowish white color, having crystalline nature. Also it has characteristics odor. This acid is insoluble in water but miscible in the alcohol and chloroform. These are physical properties. So from this you clearly know that the physical properties means color, odor, solubility like properties. From these drugs we will see these physical properties for all remaining drugs. Next important point is the chemical properties. Undecyclinic acid will decolorize the solution of potassium permanganate. It is indicating the presence of double bond. We already see the structure, so there is a double bond. Also another reaction of undecyclinic acid is it neutralizes by sodium hydroxide, giving sodium undecanoate. At last there is a reaction CH2 double bond CH single bond CH2 8 times COOH, means undecyclinic acid treated with NaOH sodium hydroxide. It will give sodium undecanoate and one water molecule which is neutralized from. Next point is stability and storage. This acid is affected from sunlight, so it is stored in tightly closed light resistance container having temperature between 8 to 15 degree Celsius. Next point, uses. It is mainly used as a topical antifungal, means fungicidal. Beside that, also it is used in cirrhosis and neurodermatitis. This drug will be used. Next point is the pharmaceutical formulations. Undecyclinic acid is available in the market as the compound undecanoic ointment, Zig undecanoate dusting powder, under the generally Mycota and Tinafax brands. So this is our first drug, undecyclinic acid. Now second drug is tolnaftate. So tolnaftate is esters of beta-naphthalol having chemical formula C19H17NOS, and the structure is given to you having the 3 benzene rings. Next point is physical properties. This is having white to creamy white color, also having no odor, means odorless compound. It is practically insoluble in water, very slightly soluble in alcohol but freely soluble in chloroform. Next point is uses. So first use is as a topical antifungal for prophylaxis and treatment of various type of ringworm. Second one is for against skin infection from due to epidermatophyton species and microsporum species. Third use is tolnaftate single drug, not used in treatment in the deep infections of nails or hair follicles, but tolnaftate and griseofulvin, this antibiotic category drug. These combinations used for these deep infections. Also last point is these drugs is used to treat systemic infections. Next point is storage, and these drugs These drugs, any preparations, are stored in the tightly closed container. Next point is pharmaceutical formulations. Tolnaftate is available in topical solution, powder, topical aerosol, cream and gel form under the following brand name, that is Tanacidial, Multiderm and Mycil. So this is our second drug, Tolnaftate. Now move to next drug, that is Nystatin. This is an antifungal substance which is isolated from Streptomyces norsal. These strains are grown from the Nystatin is isolated. This is an Pauline mycolidium antibiotic. If you see below, structure will be known that the Nystatin is having structurally conjugated tetraene and diene. Also, the amino sugar is linked glycosidically with 36 membered lactonic ring. The structure is given below. If you see this, having a chemical formula C44H75NO17. Now next physical properties, it is having yellow to light brown color and crystal like odor. Nystatin is hygroscopic in nature. Hygroscopic means tending to absorb moisture from air. In the simple words, you can say that if this drug present in open air, then it will absorb the water from the air and get moisture. Next point is it is very slightly soluble in water and alcohol both. Next point is stability and storage. As this drug absorbs moisture, we already seen that this Nystatin drug is hygroscopic and also affect from light and air. So indirectly we can say that this is stored in tightly closed light resistance container with temperature not exceeding 5 degrees Celsius. Now we are seeing the uses of Nystatin. This drug is mainly used as antifungal, basically in prophylaxis of skin and mucous membrane, also in the treatment of intestinal and esophageal candidiasis. For this treatment we are using drug in tablet form, as we know that intestinal and esophagus are the internal body parts. Next use in candidiasis of mouth, but in form of lozenges because infection in the mouth. Next use is for candidiasis of vagina, and for vagina infection mainly pessaries or vaginal creams are used. Next point is pharmaceutical formulation. Nystatin is available in marketed in different formulations like tablet, oral suspension, cream, eye drop, lotion, ointment, pessaries, vaginal tablet, topical powder, and lastly Nystatin and triamcinolone combinationally available as ointment form. These formulations are available under brand names of Nyastan, Nyastaform and Nyastadermal. Next drug is amphotericin B. This drug is also a mixture of antifungal pollens, and this drug is produced and isolated from Streptomyces nodosus. Structurally, this compound is having two structurally related pollens, that are tetraene and heptane. Amphotericin A is conjugated tetraene and amphotericin B is conjugated heptane. This is so named because it is an amphoteric substance. At the isoelectric point, it is water insoluble. This compound is discovered by scientist Gould in 1956. At the end, there are the structure having chemical formula C47H73NO70. Next point is physical properties. So amphotericin B is having yellow to orange color, and this is odorless and tasteless. Also amphotericin solubility having insoluble in water, in alcohol, but soluble in dimethyl sulfoxide and propylene glycol. Next point is chemical properties. When amphotericin is treated with phosphoric acid, then it gives deep blue color. This drug can affect by the light, air and temperature, so store in tightly closed light resistance container at temperature 2 to 10 degrees Celsius. So the next point is uses. This drug is broadly used as antifungal drug. It is effective against several systemic mycotic infections including candidiasis, blastomycosis, aspergillus, phycomycosis, sporotrichosis, coccidiomycosis, etc. Also, it is used in the treatment of mucocutaneous and cutaneous leishmaniasis and candidiasis, primary amoebic meningoencephalitis, cryptococcal meningitis in combination with the flucytosine. Besides that, this drug is used for suppression of oral or intestinal candidiasis. This drug is having many uses, so there are also some more pharmaceutical formulations. So in the marketed amphotericin B is available in cream, lotion, lozenges, ointment, injection and mixture forms under the brand name Fungizone and Fungilin. Now we seeing the hamycin or primamycin. It is a pollen and antimicrobial substance produced by the growth of Streptomyces pimprina. It is heptene microlide antibiotic. It is the mixture of compounds of A, B, C and D. And below that there is a structure of drug having the formula C58H86N2O19. Next point is physical properties. It is having yellow color, having amorphous powder. It is amphoteric in nature and practically insoluble in water and chloroform but soluble in pyridine. Next point is chemical properties. When this drug is treated with concentrated sulfuric acid, it gives stable blue color. Hamycin can affect by light and air, hence stored in the tightly closed light resistance container. This is storage condition of this drug. Next point is uses. It is mainly used as antifungal and for anti-trichomonal activity. It is used for both topically and orally in various fungal infections. So now this drug is available as ointment and vaginal tablet under the brand name Imperina. So in this second part of video we discuss on drugs mainly used under antifungal category. So if anyone not seen the first part of video, then please watch that. Till then, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that this video will help you in some way or other, and if it did, then please hit that thumbs up button. It gives me so much motivation to produce new videos, and please subscribe to my channel. It not just makes up for all the efforts that gives me into making video apart from daily schedule. Thank you for that. And if any query, you can contact me on mail and also on social media like Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. Link is given in the description, and also follow me on this social media. Thank you so much.